What up? Alright, so watching a little Theo Vaughn. Before we get on our way with Matt McCusker. Shout outs to Matt and Shane's Secret Podcast. Super dope. Make sure you go check out Long River Glow Podcast, mine. So we're gonna end up walking over to the train station so the car can stay here. Get on a train, head to Everett, and meet the fam. Illa, his wife, get them packed up, moved over here. They got a nice little spot over here. I got the keys on my key ring and get the traveling going. All right, I will try to get some B-roll. You know, it's gonna be 2 a.m. on the Spokane streets downtown, so we'll be a little iffy about what we're doing. I will be strapped, so I ain't tripping too hard, but at the same time, one of me, don't know how many of them. So we'll get what we can. We're slow. If you see B-roll, you see B-roll. Otherwise, we'll get it on the train. of people. Alright, so we are on the train. It's almost 4 o'clock, 15 to 4. Kind of a shaky train, but we got our own little cabin, thanks to the homeboy. But look, fam, this shit's sick. And we'll get some B-roll when we can see. Just bouncing. But yeah, we'll see you guys here in a bit when we get to Everett. Stay tuned. Stay watching. Much love. Crazy tweakers over here. We at Everett. This is boy. What? Your side? This bitch. Oh, there you go. I slept at this fucking thing on that train. Yeah. Cold. It's fucking cold. Thank you. It feels like it's just been cold, except for the train ride. The train ride was warm.
It was?
It was very warm. Got back. Welcome back to us. Illa's here now. Aaron's here now. Their dogs are here now. Mufasa. The dogs are here now. Mufasa the doll. Oh, I'm so tired. We gotta unload tomorrow. But we back here. We did it. We made it happen. Some very long days. Tomorrow will be a shorter one, but still some work. So good night. Sleep tight. See you when the morning bugs bite.
I think you go live from your phone.
Yeah, you can.
Right there.
So where are we at right
Ready
now?
for gifts and live stream. Turn on.
Oh, we never been on live. That's
Turn on in studio. You can now let fans send gifts. You'll see. Turn on.
Where are we at right now? Do you know? This is Manitou Park.
Manitou
Manitou
Okay,
Gardens.
Manitou
All right, hold on. Title.
Is it doing a light show?
How do you spell it?
Oh, my battery. Oh, the light battery died.
Is it M-A-N-A?
M-A-N-T-I-O. Manitou.
M-A-N-T-I-O?
Yep. T-I.
Gardens.
Gardens.
Alright, well, this light isn't gonna work because it died.
M-A-N-T-I-O Gardens? Or is it Manitou?
It's Manitou. N-I-T-O.
Okay. M-A-N-I-T.
Like that.
Okay, yep, right there. Manitou Gardens.
Hold up.
Hell no, I ain't
I'm
giving out
gonna
the
go take this
location.
light back. There's no need for it.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I thought you were spelling it for me to do it. Hold on.
And it's heavy, so there's no need to carry it. We'll use the lights of this place. Yes.
Look at that. They're like ornaments. Yeah, you see this up in the trees? They got ornaments up in the trees.
Yeah, it looks like
lights. This is tight, y'all. Look at how one is that.
Like I said, I apologize in advance if you guys get dizzy.
Yeah, this is dope.
That's
That's crazy. Why is it doing that? Oh, you're good. Sorry about that. That's weird. I want to ask Zach. How
Try press something.
Look.
Take the kids when I was working and they found some stuff.
Okay, so we've changed locations. We went from Namco Park. Now we are downtown at the skate park area.
Because you said I didn't take a bitch. This is jump bitch. Jump.
Tell me, what did you think? Good.
Oh, sorry.
Was it all that you expected?
No.
No? Was it all you guys cracked up to be? Was it all that you wanted?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Perfect. And that's a wrap.